From freezing cold winters to scorching summer days, your home should be comfortable no matter the season. For over 60 years, LSM has been keeping homes in the Grande Prairie region comfortable with top-quality Lennox furnaces and air conditioners, built for reliability, efficiency, and total home comfort. No more sleepless nights in the heat, no more shivering in the cold. Just year-round comfort you can count on. Don't wait for the weather to decide your comfort. Call LSM today at 780-532-4418 and experience the power of Lennox, built for every season.